Hello everyone. Today our case study is on Zomato. After the IPO, Zomato's revenue stream and overall business growth have slowed down. The company wants to have a sustainable business model that can withstand the upcoming recession. They believe that introducing new products and services can help them tap into new markets and attract more customers. This is the case study, guys. Zomato's revenue model is divided into three. One is food delivery, second is restaurant listing and advertising, and third is subscription. Key differentiators. One is largest user base. Zomato has the largest user base amongst the food delivery apps. Zomato has own delivery fee, which gives them an advantage in food delivery processes and allows it to charge higher commission to the restaurants. And diversification. It has multiple services to offer, such as restaurant reservation, table booking, white label solutions, and etc. The BCG matrix of Zomato is so star is restaurant listing and advertising, question mark is subscription, uh, then cow is food delivery, and other services are dog. Zomato's differentiation from the other competitors. One is focusing on customer experience, uh, like real-time tracking of orders, live customer support, wide range of payment options. Then building a strong brand, like invest in marketing and advertising, create a positive association with the brand, be consistent with the brand messaging, and delivery on its promises. Offering innovation products and services like food delivery with drones, virtual restaurants, food subscription services, and personalized recommendations. And not expanding into new markets, like if Zomato focuses on tier 1 city, it should focus on tier 1 city rather than focusing on tier 2 and tier 3, where people use Zomato very less and not that frequent as tier 1 city. So it's better to focus in tier 1 cities than expanding their market and going to tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Zomato Hyperpure is the game changer for them. I'll just explain what Zomato Hyperpure is. It is basically delivering vegetables, fresh vegetables from the farm to the given restaurant. So it's basically B2B service that Hyperpure gives. So Hyperpure can be improved by expansion of Hyperpure customer base, rise in demand for fresh and packaged food products, and focus on operational efficiency.
Yes, so this is growth and strategy for Zomato. So these are few listed strategies which includes focus on customer experience. So basically, as we can see that competitors of Zomato like Swiggy, Uber Eats have more easier and intuitive app which is reliable for customer and which is easy to use. So customer Zomato should do that. Second is offer innovative products and services, invest in technology, which can increase the business for Zomato, focus on data and analytics, not expanding into new market, and partner with other businesses. Next slide. So Zomato's competitive advantage. So here is like current competitive advantage, which is Zomato is having, and the future, like what they should do for gaining competitive advantages: brand recognition and loyalty, data-driven insights, personalization, and technology innovation. Next slide. So this is cost analysis and cost cutting techniques which Zomato should do. So this includes like Zomato is highly dependent on advertising revenue. So and which is not a reliable source of income. So instead they should invest in increasing the customer base for them, which might increase profitability. Second is Zomato should increase the food delivery and reduce the losses because Blinkit is facing losses which in general Zomato is facing, and spending more money on advertisements for Hyperpure as it generates sorry 70% of revenue for Zomato, and not spending money on new markets. They should stick on to tier one, let's say tier one cities, and not to tier two, tier three, or tier four cities. Instead, spending money on existing market. These are the market penetration strategy, which includes efficient delivery services to engage customer, make app for intuitive and easy to use, should let people order from another city. So currently, Zomato is allowing only to order from the same domestic territory. So this is the one which can be key factor for Zomato to gain market penetration, affordable subscription, and attractive discount and offers.
So I will be covering the part of specifically a hyper pure segment of Zomato. So as mentioned, this hyper pure can be the game changer for Zomato. So these are some of the features of hyper pure: ticket size per order, expand it reads, improve its margin. So and improve the quality. This will help the Zomato to further improve in its revenue. Next slide. So these are some of the existing features which Hyperpure gives. Hyperpure was first came into existence in 2018, and some of the features are verified sellers, large catalog of products. They also provide sustainable farming methods, and some an interesting feature which they offer is they provide Hyperpure tag on Zomato page. Like some of the restaurants which will have Hyperpure tag uh, will gain more trust to customers that this restaurant has got Hyperpure tag, and they will have trust. Um, Next. So these are some of the user personas. There are mainly two primary stakeholders for this. Ones who are restaurants and one who are the suppliers. So this one is of restaurant. So she is a head chef of Delight Restaurant, and some of the motivations are like she wants fresh ingredients, fresh food to serve to their customer, and some of the frustrations which we she feels is time sourcing ingredients from vendors, having to deal with inconsistent quality of ingredients. Because of that, the taste of food changes, having to pay for high prices at different times. Next. This is the supplier user persona. So supplier has whole different problems, and some of the challenges which the supplier faces is he want to enter large user base. So and he also wants to provide quality ingredients, and so these are some of the needs and goals of suppliers as market access, quality assurance, and differentiation. Next. So, reviewing all of these features and things user persona faces, the Zomato has a huge as will identify a huge gap in this, and some of the business models are subscription model, storage facility model, imported products, and apps for analysis. So subscription model is like the restaurants will pay monthly, yearly, or daily subscription for having the ingredients, and storage facility as in like for both suppliers and restaurants they can provide a proper location where it would be both convenient for restaurants and for suppliers to have a deal with. And many food or consumers expect different kind of foods which are not available in India or specific countries. So imported products can be a huge game changer for hyper pure. And as AI has been developing, so everybody wants to know what is the crop quality, what is the food quality, what should be the ingredients used. So this can be the statistics or analysis which Zomato can provide to their customers, hyper pure and suppliers, so they can use through this with freemium model. So done with my thing. Thank you.